we will be going over the Hopper Grate Safety Switch located behind this panel on the passenger side of your hopper. So this switch is tied in with your e-stop circuit. If it ever gets stuck or comes misaligned, anything like that, it will cause your truck to have an e-stop active at all times and can be sometimes difficult to diagnose. So to check the functionality of it, first we'll go ahead and take our 17mm wrench and remove these two bolts to take this cover off. Okay, so now we've got this cover removed here, and we can see the Hopper Grate Safety Switch right here. So how this switch works is you have this piece right here, which will move counterclockwise when you open your hopper grate, thus forcing this arm upwards, causing this to trip, and then causing an e-stop on your pump. So that'll stop your pumping, your boom function, outrigger function. It'll lower your RPMs back down to idle, as well as stop the auger from turning inside of the hopper here. So some common issues we see with this is this piece here can become loose. There is a cotter pin right behind it. You want to make sure that that is in there fully tight and secure. You also want to make sure that no concrete is leaked through, or for some reason you don't have this cover on, that there's no concrete build up around here. You want to make sure that this roller right here on the switch is moving nice and freely, and this arm is moving freely as well. So by moving the switch up like this, you can actually hear it click. This is a momentary e-stop switch. So as long as you've made sure there's no debris in here, anything that's holding this switch up or downwards too far, you want to make sure the arm's not bent. Another thing you can look out for as well is to see if this entire piece here has been misaligned. You can loosen these two Phillips screws here and tilt it whichever way that you need. As long as after you've adjusted it, when you lift this up here, you can hear it click. And you function test it as well by opening up your hopper. If these switches ever go bad, you can contact us, and we do have replacements for them as well.